Hello everyone, welcome back again. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channels for support us. Why do I need car insurance? Purchasing accident protection inclusion isn't simply a sound monetary choice, it's likewise compulsory for most drivers to convey a base measure of assurance. The following are 3 justifications for why you ought to purchase vehicle protection. 1. State law. What's the minimum car insurance I need? Sorts of car insurance coverage. Get quotes. Practically every state has regulations that direct the sort and measure of vehicle protection a driver should convey. In any case, your state's base protection necessities ought not be the main standards for deciding how much inclusion you want. On the off chance that you're in a mishap, or on the other hand assuming your vehicle is harmed by robbery, defacement or a cataclysmic event, the expense to supplant or fix it very well may be a huge monetary misfortune. A satisfactory insurance contract can take care of mishap-related costs while safeguarding your family and resources. Distinguishing least collision protection necessities, assessing your own and monetary requirements, and looking for vehicle insurance can assist you with observing the inclusion you really want or decide whether you're paying a lot for your contract. Searching for the most reduced collision protection rates? Peruse our cheapest car insurance companies of 2022 to track down the best inclusion for your necessities. For what reason do I need car insurance? Purchasing accident coverage inclusion isn't simply a sound monetary choice, it's likewise obligatory for most drivers to convey a base measure of assurance. The following are 3 motivations behind why you ought to purchase vehicle protection. State regulation. Every state aside from New Hampshire expects drivers to convey least obligation protection, in spite of the fact that Virginia drivers can quit by paying an uninsured driver expense. A few states likewise expect drivers to buy extra kinds of inclusion, similar to individual injury security, PIP, or uninsured/underinsured driver, UM/UM, inclusion. Inability to buy the proper inclusion can bring about expenses and fines, the suspension of your enrollment or driver's permit, or prison time. 2. Financial protection. On the off chance that you're in an auto collision, you might be on the snare for hospital expenses, vehicle and property fixes, and any lawful charges related with the mishap. Sufficient protection inclusion guarantees the majority of those bills will go to your insurance agency, rather than to you. 3. Lender requirements. On the off chance that you supported or rented your vehicle, the money lender will probably require more inclusion than your state's essentials. What happens if I don't have car insurance? Driving without vehicle protection is a fiasco in the works. The punishments you'll confront rely upon the laws of your state, however fines and court charges are right around a conviction. Most states will likewise suspend your vehicle's enlistment, as of now, and that's what that intends. Assuming you're found driving, your vehicle will be towed and seized. A few states may likewise suspend your driver's permit. You will not have the option to recover your vehicle or re-establish your permit until you have verification of insurance, and after you've been discovered driving with a past contract or with no protection by any means. Most insurance agency will charge you much more, since you're laid out risk. What's the minimum car insurance I need? Find the accompanying ways to sort out minimal measure of vehicle protection inclusion you want. 1. Track down your state lease necessities. In the event that you own your vehicle inside and out and don't have a high total assets, this may be sufficient. 2. Assuming you have a rent or credit, actually take a look at your moneylender's necessities. 3. Decide the worth of your resources, counting the vehicle as well as reserve funds, home, and business. For what reason do your resources matter? Assuming that you're engaged with an episode wherein harms surpass your protection inclusion, a court might arrange you to compensate for any shortfall. Regardless of whether you need to deplete your reserve funds or sell your assets, the expense of extra protection is insignificant contrasted with the monetary effect of a costly crash or fiasco. That's for today. I hope you can find your best plan car auto insurance to get better management life. Thank you and see you in the next one.